Hello guys, I'm so excited to show you what I saw just 2 minutes ago. My passion fruit flower just bloomed. I saw some ants coming up to pollinate this flower, but I'm not sure how much.
What does pollinate mean, Dad?
Pollinate meaning turning the flowers into fruit.
Okay.
So I'm gonna self-pollinate this. Can you hold the camera for me?
Sure.
Yeah. Closer to the flower, okay?
That?
So I'm gonna take this guy here. The pollen there. Now I'm gonna.
That's very good, Dad. So how much days have you been working on this?
And then
Daddy?
take the pollen and
Oh my goodness.
pollinate. This there. Okay. One more.
Daddy?
Hmm?
It's kind of hard.
So- See all this pollen? Hold the camera lower, lower. So, yeah. Up a little bit.
Like that?
Yeah. So
It's kind of hard.
try.
So, like that. Like that, Daddy?
Uh-huh.
That looks like I don't know. Looks like nothing.
Okay. That should be enough pollen.
Dad, can you show me?
So I just hand pollinated my passion flower. Hopefully that will turn into fruit soon, and it looks like I got another one here.
Dad, can I touch up something?
And hopefully soon I see some passion fruit. It's a very short video, guys, but I'm too excited to see my very first passion fruit flowers, and I can't resist from showing this. So, oh, I see an ant there. It might be doing the pollination by itself. Okay, thank you guys. I'll give you more updates later.